Hello friends, in this video I'm going to work with seasons. So in this series we have only one season, and now we don't have the click here. I'm going to add the anchor tag here, but before we need to create the web routes, and inside the route I'm going to copy this route for the series and paste it right here. And I'm going to say seasons and add the season slug. Also, the controller is going to be the Syria controller with a method season show, and the name is going to be season.show. Hit save and close now. This one, open the show in the series, and here when we have for each seasons we display the season. I'm going to cut this and paste inside the anchor tag, and we need the other route with name season show, and we need to paste the slug of the series and the season slug also. $sign season slug, and paste that in, close the anchor tag, hit save and navigate to the browser and refresh. Now if I click here, we navigate to the season, but we don't have the season show. So open now the Syria controller and create that method here, function with a name season show, and we expect Syria $sign Syria and also season $sign season. We need to import the season. Okay, and here I'm going to say return the view series, and I'm going to create new folder called seasons, and inside it the index file, and I'm going to paste the series and the season. So series and season, hit save, close this one, and now if I refresh, when I click here, we don't have that file, so we need to create new file inside the series, new folder first, seasons, and inside that folder a new file, name it index.blade.php, and I'm going to do the same thing we have with the show blade here. So, and I think maybe is more good to add the show blade here, the name is show blade, and also in the controller we need to do the same thing. So change this to be show. Okay, save and close this. And now in the copy this in the series and paste in the seasons. Just we need to check if the season is not empty. So if we have season, display that season poster path. And what we have for the season. For the seasons, we have name, season number, and poster path. Okay, we have a name, so change this to be season name. And maybe here I'm going to add another span. And I'm going to say $, the series name to display the series name and create it here. Okay. What we can add others. And now instead of series seasons, I'm going to add season episodes as the episode. Okay, and we don't have the route for the episodes right now, so I'm going to leave it and just say season poster path, yeah, because the episode doesn't have the poster path. And in the right we can say latest seasons, and maybe display the latest seasons here. So save, and not series but the season. So select all and say season, and season show except two parameters. One is the $, series slug, and next is the season slug. Okay, paste it, close the. But here we need to display only the seasons for this series, not all the seasons. Or we can display all the seasons, and here we can say season series slug, yeah, and display all the latest seasons. And I think we are okay. Hit save. Open now again the controller and copy this one and paste it here. And instead of the series, here I'm going to say season with count episodes and order by take 9. Okay. Hit save. Now go to the browser and refresh. And I think we don't have the relationship. So open the season model. Yeah, we don't have a relationship with episodes. So create that function episodes and the return $, this has many episode class. Save and now refresh. Yeah, here is the, but instead of, where is the show blade? Here. Instead of say seasons, we need to say episodes here. Okay, now here is the episodes for this season. Season 1, Cheeky is the, this is the serial name, so when we have, and I'm going to say here, yeah, right here, serie, and maybe say strong, and paste the name of the serie here, hit save, refresh, and yeah, this is the serie and the created year, and also here is the episodes. Here we don't have latest seasons because we have only one season. Okay friends, that's it for this video. In the next one we need to work with episodes. All the best friends.